Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a trial, and a review on Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Game of Thrones. With that being said, let's get started. So this is by Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Game of Thrones, and it's an eyeshadow palette. And it says HBO Home Box Office in the back. It also states PETA approved, 12 months once you open it. This is the front. This is very pretty, guys. Super pretty. It does have the tabs here. It has 48 eyeshadows, guys. Okay, guys, it looks like this. This is so cool. Look at that. Magnetic closure. Has protective film. These colors are pretty. So this is the inside. Look at that. I was honestly expecting more like darker colors because of Game of Thrones. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. So these are all the eyeshadows that I swatched from the first side, which is this one right here. And I did notice that not all of the eyeshadows have names apart from Sunspear, King's Landing, Dragonstone, and Lanny Sport. So I tried to swatch them all in one hand. So this other side has White Harbor, Old Town, Winterfell, Gold Town. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I tried to go a little bit dark with my look, like a little bit smoky, because Game of Thrones was kind of like that in a way, like very dark tones, very kind of like gold because of their attire. So I tried to do something with that, and this is what I came up with. I like the packaging. The packaging is very nice. I do think that doing the map and everything is like really creative, really cute. I like the magnetic closure. I would have liked to see all the eyeshadows have names just like some of them have. I also would have liked to have a mirror in here since it's very bulky. You can't really balance your mirror if you're trying to balance both of them, your mirror and the eyeshadow palette at the same time. They do have fallout, and fallout is regular with any eyeshadow palette regardless whether it's drugstore or high-end, it doesn't matter. I just want to let you guys know that. None of these in the first line right here showed up really well on my skin tone, but that's just me because of my skin tone. I do like that they have a little bit of everything here, a little bit of every color in here. I would have liked to see more darker colors in here since Game of Thrones is like that, like I've said. I like that you can also build up some of these colors, like this one right here. I was able to build it up a little bit, like for an undertone. I also was able to build up this glitter black one. I like it. I will be using this again. The colors are very pretty. They're in my range. I really like, if you've seen my videos, you know that I like some vibrant colors and then I like more like brown tones, and this has a little bit of everything. And my final rating would be a 4.5 out of 5. So this brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.